Today we look at how to install our Oasis toilet suite. Before you get started, make sure your water supply has been turned off and that any existing bolts and silicone have been removed from the base. Start by positioning the seat onto the pan. Make sure the alignment is correct and then fix it into place using fixing screws. Place the cistern into position and mark out the fixing holes. Your cistern should be fixed to a noggin or solid wall. Use a drill to drill out the holes and then attach the cistern using fixing screws. Next, take the connector plate and attach it to the base of the cistern. Cut the flush pipe to your required length and attach it to the base of the connector plate. Once you have the flush pipe, connector plate and cistern attached to each other, move the toilet pan into position and attach it to the flush pipe to connect all elements of the suite. Complete the installation by securing the pan onto the base with screws.